yang nonton heboh banget lur.
What? What's happening?
Kaget mereka.
Reaction. Sometime.
Mr. GM.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hola amigos, halo dunia. Apa kabar semuanya lur? Welcome back to my channel. Masih bersama gue Mr. GM. Nah, kita santai sejenak sambil menonton dan mereaksi video ini yang pastinya masih tetap spektakuler. Ingat lur ya, batik simple tapi penuh makna. Yuk tonton videonya sampai habis. Baik lur, di kali ini kita akan mereaksi sebuah video yang pastinya ini masih super duper keren banget lur ya. Di video ini kita akan mereaksi ini dari channelnya orang Amerika Latin. Nah, dulurku udah tahu semua nih ya. Ini jujur lur ya, ini salah satu momen yang bikin merinding nih. Orang-orang dari Amerika Latin yang terkenal dengan budaya musiknya yang kuat. Nah, justru kaget saat pertama kali melihat band rock dari Indonesia. Ini berbagai macam genre band rock Indonesia lor ya. Dan bukan cuma kaget, mereka sampai nggak percaya nih kalau kualitasnya bisa segila ini. Dari soundnya, terus dari energinya, sampai penampilan di atas panggung, semuanya bikin mereka terpukau dan bengong lor. Nah, era musik Indonesia dari dulu sampai sekarang benar-benar nggak bisa dianggap remeh. Nah, di video ini kita bakal lihat nih reaksi mereka dan siap-siap untuk bikin kita bangga. Jadi penasaran lor ya, tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa video ini di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya dan untuk di subscribe lor. Lebih jelasnya lagi, tanpa panjang ke lebar, yuk kita simak sama-sama. Oke lor, ini dia video viralnya. Just.
What's going on in the
And you bet we will. You bet.
Udah lama banget kita lur ya nggak mereaksi channelnya Mbak Waleska Herrera dan adiknya Mas Efra. Bener-bener mereka jos nih, gokil banget kalau untuk mereaksi video Indonesia dan mereka benar-benar cinta dengan budaya musik Indonesia lur. Wah, kita tonton lagi lur.
The Banguintas.
Cinta.
Yeah, they had a lot of popular bands here.
Ooh, drummer. Yeah.
Langsung merokok dia. Mantap.
Woohoo!
I've never heard this before.
I love that
Mantap.
singer.
They're very popular.
Ingat kamu.
Wow, bro, that's chills.
Nice voice.
Suaranya khas banget lor. Waleska sampai merinding lor.
Wow, gorgeous
Who
voice.
are these voices?
Ku rindu kamu, ingin mencium kening kamu.
I love this guy. Oh, nasty sir.
Holy shit. Who the is this guy?
Okay, and the bands are so tight. Look how well behaved that crowd is.
There's kids.
Looks like a school.
Oh, hijau daun.
Dawn.
Daun.
Duan, sorry.
Duan. Daun. Ini siapa lur yang masih ingat lagu ini lur?
it's a similar style, everyone.
That's amazing, man.
Oh, I love that riff.
Yeah, the singers are outstanding. My God, but they like absolutely killed it.
Kangen dance.
Holy shit. Mate, what the what's going on in the 2010s? Look at the influence they have even now.
Disawer lur. Loh, tar lur. Disawer tuh, lihat nih. Nah.
She said, I'm gonna make it rain. Keep singing.
How much?
She has a whole pack. She has a whole bag.
Wih, gocapan lo.
I like him though. He
I love all
deserves
these singers.
every single penny. That is crazy, bro. That's crazy culture.
I love this singer a lot. All these singers.
Oh,
ST12.
ST12.
So clean though. What?
Why were they all so popular?
Because they were all great.
With the brass section.
This guy loves his job. I like him. He's contagiously happy.
All textured.
Yeah, this is why I love Indonesians.
Nice.
Yeah, more of this guy. I love him.
Wah, sampai digendong.
And the demographic is fairly young too.
The
They're
Massive.
massive. They're massive.
Ah,
Yeah, everyone was on the same vibe.
like a parking lot or something. But people are so well behaved. Look,
Sounds like worship music.
actually it does.
now. This is so recent. Means all these bands have had more than fucking 15 years in the industry.
That's insane.
At least a decade. Modern Guns.
Modern Guns.
Yeah! I like this.
Killing Me Inside.
Killing me
Oh, not.
Diarrea.
Oh, thank you, man.
I did not expect this.
No, me neither. But the singers are incredible.
Dominated by men as well.
Yeah.
Mantap.
What? What's happening?
Kaget mereka.
The first girl. So
Vera.
Yeah. Yep. She can screamo too? Girl, what the heck? She's also dressed like a ballerina.
What's coming out of that? What the? Same girl.
We love a versatile queen. That's what I call vocal flexibility. That's what we like.
Oh shit.
Nice, I like it. That's crazy.
Mantap.
She does this in thigh-high boots, skirts.
What the?
She sounds
Billy
totally
Gaskin.
different too. That's crazy. I feel like Indonesia loves a rock ballad.
They do, and
It's
they
like
fucking,
conglomerate.
and they love chaos as well.
Yeah, some of these venues are wow.
What's wrong with them? That's sick.
That's crazy.
Oh, lifestyle.
Yeah, what's wrong with them? They're fucking
No,
unbelievable
these
venues.
are no all of them.
Even
are
the tiny
crazy.
ones, they're fun as
Yeah,
fuck.
they're so awesome. That's crazy.
Oh, se hace bailar Anish. Like Toulouse.
I hear it.
Still gone.
Holy fucking shit, bro.
See, a rock ballad. That's the way to hit the charts.
Water going out in the air.
I thought it was steam. Like fog.
Banda Negra.
Banda Neira.
They have so much variety. It's fucking crazy. That's gorgeous.
Beautiful. You have indie folk, acoustic rock.
Ini.
Screamo. Wow, I love Indonesia's music scene, bro.
Something from everybody.
Just him and his fucking guitar.
Cool logo to float like that.
Look what it means to everyone.
Ah, how great!
Wah, Wali.
That's them.
Foto siapa di dompetmu?
Wow.
Ya, kok kamu diam begitu?
That's gorgeous. Karena Gen Z acting like they just discovered Wali. Meanwhile, the whole country, we being new. We knew. It's national anthem. Indonesia's national anthem. I'm down. What the fuck, Wali? What the fuck is Wali?
Yang nonton heboh banget loh.
You know what? I want to jump on this trend of Gen Zs discovering Wally for the first time.
What the fuck, Wali?
That's so cool.
Wow.
See, music has no age. If it's great, it'll transcend.
What the fuck?
Wally somebody Moncor.
Even the team. Indonesia's oasis or something.
Basically.
Coldplay.
They just make generational music. You can just tell.
What the fuck?
Sampai kaget mereka lur.
They're kind of old.
Also, the style is not like very trendy or anything like that. It's just really great tracks.
We love you!
That's awesome.
You know, I love when people love what they do. It's so contagious.
What the fuck is this?
Sampai bengong lah Rizka.
You know the girlies are. Holy fucking shit. Well, this guy goes to his concerts and he barely sings because the crowd just
people
carries.
sing it for him. Oh, these guys are legendary. They definitely take it. They're the kings.
Probably
of this
dominated
era.
the tent, yeah.
Wali, cari
My
jodoh.
God, look at that venue. The band is equalized to perfection in this track.
Pengumuman pengumuman siapa yang mau bantu tolong aku. Kasihani aku tolong carikan diriku. Bapak-bapak siapa yang punya anak bilang aku. Aku yang tengah malu sama teman-temanku. Karena cuma dirimu yang tak aku lalu.
He could have been a dangdut singer, but he chose rock. What?
Karena cuma dirimu.
Yes,
That's sick. Look at them.
Mantap.
Fucking hell. So Wally really fucking completely and utterly dominated the 2010s then.
Oke lur, angel iki angel jos gandos lur wafel kepes pokoknya jos top top lur. Seperti biasa lur, video ini kita reaksi saran dari dulurku semua yang baik hati dan juga tidak sombong serta rajin menabung. Tadi sudah kita tonton, kita pantengin, kita plototin lur ya dari awal sampai akhir lur. Pokoknya kalau plototin tuh dari awal sampai akhir lur, biar kesemsem. Bagaimana tadi kekaguman dari Mbak Waleska dan saudaranya? Dari semua reaksi tadi, ini satu hal jelas lur ya, musik Indonesia itu sekarang sudah sampai level dunia. Nah ini benar-benar loh dari dulu sampai sekarang ya. Bahkan orang-orang Latin yang punya standar tinggi soal musik ini bisa kagum dengan karya dari Indonesia. Waduh, apalagi tadi kita lihat tuh ya, Mbak Waleskanya bengong sama Mas Efranya juga. Mereka terkesima loh dengan band-band rock musik Indonesia. Nah, ini bukan cuma soal musik, tapi tentang bagaimana karya kita ini mulai diakui secara global. Tadi ada Wali Band, apalagi tadi ya di penghujung video, benar-benar bikin mereka kagum loh. Terus ada banyak lagi tadi ya, Kangen Band, The Bagindas, terus apalagi tadi, banyak banget pokoknya luar ya band-band rock Indonesia. Nah sekarang pertanyaannya, menurut dulurku semua band Indonesia itu mana yang paling layak di dunia? Nah tulis di kolom komentar dan jangan lupa di subscribe lur, karena masih banyak lagi momen yang bikin kita bangga seperti ini. Nah yuk sama-sama kita teriakan bahwa video ini adalah Jos Gandos Top Mark Auto. Bagaimana pada kasih komentar di bawah ini lur ya, dan juga silakan ketikkan requestan dulurku semua ataupun saran dari dulurku semua tentang mana lagi nih kira-kira video yang mau kita reaksi, tolong tulis di kolom komentar. Dan juga kita mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada channelnya Mbak Waleska Herrera dan Mas Efra nih yang sudah mereaksi video tersebut. Udah lama juga kita nggak mereaksi video channel mereka lur ya. Dan sekali lagi terima kasih kepada dulurku semua yang sudah menonton video ini. Semoga bermanfaat dan menghibur Mas Mbak semua. Dan semoga semua selalu diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kesuksesan, serta kewarasan. Jangan lupa lur, tetap dukung channel ini dengan cara di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan mohon channel ini di subscribe agar channel ini dapat berkembang dan lebih maju lagi 1 kilometer ke depan. Sampai ketemu di reaksi selanjutnya, dan ingat, musik Indonesia bukan cuma didengar loh, tapi dirasakan oleh dunia. Salam santai, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Reaction. Sometime.